Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie, and I want to share with you my experiences with taking Mike Acker's public speaking school. As a business owner, the goal of me taking Mike Acker's courses was that I will communicate clearly, confidently, and to engage the audience that I was speaking with. Prior to taking Mike Acker's courses, the idea of publicly speaking before an audience completely terrified me. I mean, I would rather fall into a hole than speak before a public audience. However, as a business owner, I also understood the importance of communicating my ideas effectively and engaging my audience. And so, since taking Mike Acker's courses, I have grown in confidence. I have grown in being able to articulate myself clearly and effectively. And I just want to say that if you're someone who's looking to brush up on your public speaking skills, or were like me, completely terrified of speaking in front of an audience, I highly, highly, highly recommend you take Mike Acker's public speaking school. It will benefit you greatly in whether it's business, career, or even relationships. I mean, communication is about relationships. So it's a great investment. You will not regret it. Thank you.